welcome back to my channel. So, no. It's just gonna be ice. Okay. Why? The reason why I have such a bit, guys, is because my AMC doesn't work, but everything else, and I think that all because all of those 3 keys are broken, no matter what. So, I don't select lightning, which is good. Why not when you go to Stappy? Why not listen to this the last time? I'm gonna move my face cam out of the way. For you guys, I'm gonna say I'm sick, and so guys, please don't mind about my sickness. I'm pretty occupied about it. All that. I'm nauseous. Now, this is going to be the last time we listen to this. I'm about to show you guys the stove. No! I can't open my door. Dang it. I can't open my door because my mom's trying to say something to me. We actually get quests in the game. There's going to be a new map coming into the game. Yes! Once again, subscribe! Hit that bell button and drop a like on this video. Everything and then added. I'm a game player. Why not make why? So we can all fly. But if me and the server who can only fly, it's me, myself who can fly. And I want to make myself see breezy. If you guys don't know, this is the classic. This is the shiny form. Notes. Please make sure to go to this quest. That was 1 minute of time over. It's going to be gone in 25 and 60 seconds and 40 minutes. Yes. 24 hours. CBS goes outside. Now we can all go outside, and now we have to go outside. Now I'm gonna admin CD. You're an administrator. So when I be going, I'm not gonna get the admin. So I don't. On the CD, which I tried. You know, we might be set. Like, what's in these? Yes, and I can do that. I can blur the plan. Blue, green, 5. So I can blur Nemo. So that doesn't go to the other field. Blue, 5. Oh, the command blue doesn't work. So we're going to pause the video here and have a great day. Subscribe and hit that bell button and drop a like on this video.